What up, AK gang? And you know, it's your favorite too. Aaron here.
Gay.
And it's the AK gang. Welcome to our channel. And we're at a beach house. At a beach house in Florida. Don't get smacked. We in beach house with it. And we're finna enjoy our day. Don't really know what to say. We're in Florida with it.
This house is huge, y'all.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, it really is nice in here.
Them are huge.
Very nice. It's the lightning out here, so I see why folks like coming out here. It's just the light of it. It just feel peaceful.
It's a little hot, but
it's not even hot. It's just feel real peace.
I had to get out the.
Peace.
I had to get out of
We had to
for a little while.
We had to.
I had to get out of Alabama for a little while. Clear the bun.
So we go back Monday with a fresh start.
I don't know about the fresh start part, but we might not even go back.
We going back. I gotta go to work. She can stay her ass here. I'm going back. I gotta go to work.
Work out here.
I'm not working out here. Well, yeah, we're ready to get ready, head to the beach, and we see y'all there. Say what's up to the AK gang.
No.
What's up? Say what's up. Say it.
No.
You gonna be on YouTube.
Want me to video?
Say what's up. What's up?
You want to tell them, hey?
There go Kiki.
So I left there.
Say what's up, AK gang. Say hey, Callie. Y'all, the youngest member of the AK gang.
He don't know, like he already got weed.
The youngest member. Got the towel. Ready to get ready. It was raining on these slow folks.
It's my mommy towel.
And we pretty be good with it. It's like I ain't been to the beach like since 2019. This is my first time going to the beach in a minute. It's been years since I've been to the beach. And they're saying it's like a pool here too. I don't know if y'all see it. Over that way. That way somewhere over there. Over there, there's a pool. So, yeah. You ready to go to the beach, Callie? You ready to go to the beach? Huh? You ready to go to the beach?
Apparently, I'm holding her sentence and stuff for her, so.
That's good. You need to be holding something.
I'm sorry.
It's good.
How y'all doing?
Well, Mr. Carter over there. Finna ride on a golf cart. Why you smile like that?
Shut up.
There go Kamaria. Part of the AK gang. There go Kamaria. There go Mama. Go Mama. Doing a vlog. And my auntie Lisa.
What up?
What up? The AK gang.
She said chips.
What is
I know it was a vlog.
what is
We
it?
outside, y'all.
Yeah.
We outside.
Yeah.
We gonna get drunk tonight.
We outside.
Oh, we need stuff out of this trunk. We need these upstairs. I'm gonna put my key in my room. You need to plug in?
Yep. It's a run-off a day. Y'all better say hey to the gang back there. Boom. The lighting looks so good out there.
Don't it?
Man, what? Felt like a real light skin.
What's the light skin face?
All right, I'm done. Bye, y'all. See how we get to the beach for this time.
A few moments later.
Hey. Hey, y'all, we made it to the beach. Made it to the beach. We out here. Nice view. Yeah, and the stuff here, let them do that. I like the sound of it. Don't you like the sound of the ocean?
It's very calming.
I like it.
I might be the main one holding the camera because he probably be deep in the water.
I'm gonna be all in the water. Be up all in the water. Of course, you already know. Be like little kid right over there, running back and forth. I'm be doing all that. Be like her. All in the water. I got socks. I got socks on. I'm gonna say why you don't like. Why you got socks on? You're walking on sand. I don't like sand between my toes, but I like going to the beach. It's magnificent. I don't think I said that word right, but it's beautiful. Be quiet. It's be quiet. It's nice.
I got glasses on my head.
It's nice. It's nice. Ah.
This how I go to the
2.5 years and a year. Look at that white man.
Yo, what up, gang? Very wet. Sand in my face. Sand on my feet. You got them wet. Hey, Kamaria. Hi.
What up, bro?
What up?
He said, what up?
Huh? Oh. I don't know what we doing after this,
To take a shower.
but man, niggas like hungry again. Oh, hold on, not the phone. Hold on. Yeah, niggas like hungry.
How many times you gonna tell me? How many times he gonna tell you all that?
Like I said, niggas like hungry. I'ma say that shit till I get fed. Yeah.
What happened? She took the sand on me. Don't wipe your hands.
Still saying out there, Auntie Lisa. Yo, we back at the little beach house or whatever. So we pretty go like rinsing off all the sand off and stuff. Baby girl in the shower, and yeah, everybody else getting ready. And we finna head, cause we outside of Destin. We're not all the way in Destin. We're outside of Destin. We're in what is it? Santa Rosa, something like that. Santa Rosa Beach, something like that. But yeah, it was just, you know, just chilling. We could go check out the jet skis, probably get on a boat. Don't know, but we gonna see. We gonna see, you feel me? Man, I ain't gonna lie, I gotta get some lotion. Oh, my bad. Company out, my bad. But I ain't gonna lie. That nigga gonna be black AF when he get back to Alabama. You feel me? But I'm coming back out here. Coming back out here. Yeah, we coming back out here. Don't know. It more like be like in July, but yeah, we coming back out here. So, hey, we gonna see y'all. We're gonna see him when we get to Ashley and Destin. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I don't know yet. But yeah, see y'all when we get to the next location. Yo! We ain't get the jet ski like we wanted to, so we really go sunset dolphin. Well, watching the dolphin sunset or whatever. You know what I'm saying. Yeah, y'all know what I'm saying.
Where it began, I can't begin to know.
You drinks on the boat.
Ain't they doing drinks on the boat? We gonna get drunk on the boat. Well, I can't because I gotta drive.
Wasn't the spring,
But
and spring became the summer. Who'd have believed
What's that gate?
Such a hand, reaching
yeah, I'll see you later, y'all.
touching me, touching
But I'm finna go. I ain't trying to get caught. Y'all can't hear us, but look how fast they go. Hold on, wait, hold on.
Now, hey guys, if he gets in the boat, y'all catch him. Oh! That big one there, y'all, don't catch that big one. We don't want him. Throw him back. On the back left, y'all, they're still there, guys. Y'all get back there, get you a look. They might not do it for much longer.
All right, gang. We're gonna wrap it up for the night. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It's been a good day. But really, the beach really just took us out for real. But we're gonna end the video here. So I don't know. I'm confused. Well, the rest of it really gonna be the stuff that we did today. Of today.
If we like go shopping or anything, we'll probably just take y'all with us tomorrow.
Yeah, we do something else tomorrow. We just let y'all know. But till then,
We will catch y'all in the next video. We love you, AK Gang.
AK Gang
Yeah.
is gone.